Hello friends, welcome to day one of my Excel shortcut series. Today's shortcut is one of the most important one, that is CTRL+A. Usually we want to select Excel data, we click and drag with the mouse selecting everything one by one. This is okay for small data, but when you are working with large data, this method becomes slow and difficult. So here is the faster way. When you are press Ctrl+A together, Excel instantly select your entire worksheet in one click. Yes, the whole sheet gets selected at the same time. Try this shortcut in next time you work with a large Excel file. It will definitely save your time and make your work much easier. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with another simple and powerful Excel tool.